Okay, so a back ring strap. This is a loop and a hook welded in opposite. So the loop faces one way, the hook faces the opposite way. It has a buckle on the other end. This you can select either plastic or a steel plated. And these work simply by feeding the hook tip through the buckle, wrapping whatever it is you need to wrap, and then simply fold the hook to the loop to fasten down. You can select on top of the plastic or steel buckle, you can select a flat cut or a rounded cut on the hook tip. Most common is the rounded cut just because it makes feeding through a little bit easier, but that's the only difference on that. So the back ring strap is loop facing opposite way to the hook. Both welded joints, they're about a 10mm weld, honeycomb, and they're ultrasonically welded both ends. So that is your back ring strap.